How does DHCP work with a Wi-Fi access point? Imagine walking into a busy coffee shop and trying to find a seat. You need a table before you can settle in and start working. In the world of wireless networks, DHCP is like that friendly host who hands you a table, or in this case, an IP address, so your device can join the network and communicate. When you connect your smartphone or laptop to a Wi-Fi access point, it begins with no IP address. It needs one to send and receive data on the internet. That's where DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, steps in. Your device sends out a broadcast message called a DHCP discover. Think of it as shouting, "Hey, is there a DHCP server out there?" This message travels over the wireless link to the access point. The access point acts as a middleman. It forwards this message to the DHCP server, which might be on a router or a dedicated server somewhere on the network. Some access points have a built-in DHCP server, especially in small setups. But in larger networks, they usually relay the request to a central DHCP server. Once the DHCP server receives the request, it responds with a DHCP offer. This is like the server saying, "Here's a table I can give you." It proposes an IP address along with other network details like the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS servers. The access point then forwards this offer back to your device. Your device reviews the offer and sends a DHCP request, confirming it wants to use that IP address. The DHCP server then replies with a DHCP acknowledgement, officially assigning the IP address to your device. Now your device has a valid IP address, and it can communicate freely on the network. It knows where to send data and how to receive responses. This process usually takes just a few seconds, making it seamless for users. In enterprise setups, DHCP services are often centralized on network controllers or dedicated servers. The access points simply forward requests using DHCP relay or proxy functions. Some access points even have internal DHCP servers, mainly in small offices or homes, where they handle IP assignments directly. There's also a feature called DHCP Option 82, or Relay Agent Information. It adds extra details about where the device is connected, like which access point or port it's using. This helps the DHCP server assign IP addresses based on location or specific policies. In summary, when your device connects to a Wi-Fi access point, DHCP makes sure it gets an IP address quickly and smoothly. The access point acts as a bridge, forwarding requests and responses between your device and the DHCP server. This process is essential for devices to join the network, communicate properly, and access the internet. Understanding how DHCP works with access points helps you see how all the pieces of network hardware work together to keep your wireless experience running effortlessly.